Hi Cheryl, my name's Natalie and I'm with Peerless Strategies. I spoke with Kathy yesterday and she said it would be all right for me to send this short video to you. The reason for the video is that I was looking for businesses that do laser hair removal in Savannah, and I found your guys' website on the second page in position 20, and I want to show you what you can do to get yourself to the top of Google. I'm going to talk to you today about content and backlinks. When I'm looking at your site, I look and see how many words you have, and Google wants to see a minimum of 1,500 words. You've got about 800 words, which isn't bad, but it could use some improvement. Your nearest competitor, which is Golf Dermatology, they have 500. So definitely doable. And I want to also talk to you about backlinks. Backlinks, if we go right here, backlinks are simply put sites linking to other sites, and you presently have 21 referring domains giving you 130 backlinks, and your competitor has 74 referring domains giving them 269 backlinks. So basically the idea would be to get you to at least 100 more backlinks than your competitor, your nearest competitor. But they're not all created equal. You know, backlinks have to be relevant. Like if you had a Pizza Hut backlink, it would be irrelevant because it's not pertaining to your niche. So with that said, let me show you the traffic that you guys are missing. Right now, as you can see, this is just for this simple keyword search: laser hair removal Savannah and the like. This is every month. This was for the month of August. This is how many were searched, almost 300. And then, let's see, there's your position right here on Google, which could definitely use improvement, and it's absolutely doable. Let me show you your competitor. Using the same words for keywords, the same volume, and their positions in position 4. So what we need to do is have at least 100 more quality backlinks than they do. So here's a quick recap. We went over the content. Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on your home. And we know that we need at least 100 more backlinks to outrank your nearest competitor. So that's all for now. If you'd like to know more, just let me know and we'll schedule a meeting and we can talk. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a great rest of your day.